In this video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi issues, Wi-Fi problems with your iPhone 17, 17 Pro and Air. So I'll show you different tricks. Let's start with the easiest of them. If you have connection issues, if it doesn't connect or if it's not stable, what I suggest is that you do a force restart of your iPhone. This is not a reset, nothing will be deleted. So to do this, press volume up, volume down quickly, and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo appearing on your display. Don't release the power button, be patient. Alright, it should appear at any second right now. And once you see the Apple logo, release the button. This is a simple reboot. As I said, most of the time it fixes many software issues. If you're still having issues, now after your iPhone restarted, if you're still not able to connect to your Wi-Fi network, or maybe it's not a stable connection, what I suggest is that you go into the settings. Okay, this is the settings app, keep it pressed, select Wi-Fi. Currently I'm connected to this Wi-Fi network. You'll press on the I button right over here on the side, and then select forget this network, forget. We have removed that Wi-Fi network from the iPhone. Now go to your Wi-Fi router and disconnect it from the wall. So remove any powers from your Wi-Fi router and wait at least 3 minutes. Then connect the router back and wait another 5 minutes until it comes back online. Then take your iPhone, tap your Wi-Fi, enter the password, and fortunately after doing this it will work. Sometimes the error is not coming out of the iPhone, it's the Wi-Fi router, and by unplugging it, waiting a few minutes and plugging it back, it has saved me many different times. Now if you're still having issues at this point, you can do a reset of the Wi-Fi of your iPhone. It will not delete any apps, delete any pictures, anything, apart the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth. So to do this, go in settings, go in general, go down, select transfer or reset iPhone, select reset, and select reset network settings. You'll have to enter the passcode of your iPhone, and then you're going to tap on reset network settings. All you have to do is to wait. It will take around 2 or 3 minutes. The iPhone will shut down. You don't have to touch anything. Even if the screen is black, it will power back on, and you'll have to reconnect yourself to your Wi-Fi and to any Bluetooth devices that you were previously connected to, since the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth will be as new without any devices connected to them. I hope this was useful. If one of these tricks worked, please let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe, and if you have anything else to say, let's say another trick I wasn't aware, again, type a comment, leave a like, check my Amazon links if you want to get a case for your iPhone or any other accessories, and I'll see you in the next video.